Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching our channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. So, as you can see from this bowl, we have a few pieces of fish, and that is our dish of the day, as it were. Very simple fried fish. So, I'm going to show you our very simple way of making fried fish. It involves making the mixture with gram flour and eggs and then frying the fish. Okay, so let's make a start. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद आज की रेसिपी जो है वो है जी वेरी सिंपल फ्राइड फिश और इसे फ्राई करने का तरीका सबसे पहले हम मसाला तैयार करेंगे जिसमें बेसन सबसे पहले well, it's more than tablespoons. I don't know. It's a large spoon. Okay. And into that, we're going to pour some water. So do keep the texture quite thick. Okay. Otherwise, it won't hold the fish. Okay. Okay, so into that we're going to add 2 eggs and then see how that is. We may have to add more gram flour. नाज़रीन अब हम 2 अंडे इसमें डाल रहे हैं और इन्हें whisk mix करेंगे. Okay, so into the mixture go our spices. Okay, ये है जी chili. So as per taste, so we have got children eating this, so we're not going to put as much spices in there. 1 teaspoon to half a teaspoon. Sorry, that was turmeric and garam masala, and finally a little bit of salt. Okay, give that a jolly good mix and our mixture is ready. नाजरीन बेसन में अंडे डाले थे तो फिर अब हमने स्पाइसेस डाली जायका सॉल्ट मिर्ची गरम मसाला और हल्दी. So a good helping of oil because the fish is going to be shallow fried. So I would say at least 3 to 4 tablespoons. Okay, give that a good soak. The oil is sizzling away there, lovely. Okay, the fish is in the oil now, viewers, and we're going to cook each side for around about 2-3 minutes. So after a short while, we're going to put the second one in. So it's cooked nicely on one side. I'm going to cook the other side now. And there we have it, viewers, our final product, fried fish. Okay, so this is going to be part of our dinner today. Today is Friday, of course, so it's going to be fish. And no, it is for the grandchildren, so we've prepared some drumsticks. We've got some breast over there, got some roast potatoes over there. That over there is scampi. This is sweet potato chips. And this is something that's very British, mushy peas. So all it is peas that have been mashed, sorry. Okay, so there we have it. We wanted to show you the way that we prepare fish. It really is very simple. I do hope you're going to try this at home. नाज़रीन उम्मीद है आप ये हमारी सिंपल डिश पसंद करेंगे और ख़ुद भी ट्राई करेंगे. जैसा देख सकते हैं आज जुमे का दिन है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमने ये काफ़ी चीज़ें तैयार की हैं ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन के लिए. तो यही था आप लोगों को के साथ ये शेयर करें कि फ़िश कैसे फ्राई हम करते हैं। ओके जी, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना। Look after yourselves, look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. To all my viewers, Happy New Year. Keep watching, keep helping. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Allah Negeban.